Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest skincare products. Today, we're diving into the world of facial exfoliators, particularly catering to sensitive skin. And let me tell you, we found a gem. Introducing the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing PHA Facial Exfoliator. This right here is not just any exfoliator. It's the best face exfoliator for sensitive skin available in the market today. Why? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what makes this exfoliator stand out. It's formulated with polyhydroxy acid, a gentle liquid exfoliant perfect for those with sensitive skin. No harsh scrubbing here, just a nourishing cleanse that respects your skin's natural moisture barrier. But that's not all. This fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formula is packed with oat oil, known for its soothing properties. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a refreshed complexion. Now, how does it perform? I'm glad you asked. This daily exfoliator works like a charm to renew your skin's surface, leaving it feeling smooth and moisturized. Whether you use it wet or dry, it gently removes dirt and impurities without stripping away essential moisture. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the soothing effect it has on their sensitive skin. From reducing redness to improving texture, the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Exfoliator is a game-changer. And let's talk ingredients. With a blend of natural extracts like oat kernel oil and glycerin. This formula is free from fragrances, parabens, sulfates, and other harsh chemicals. Plus, it's dermatologist tested, so you can trust it's safe for your skin. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a gentle yet effective exfoliator that caters to sensitive skin, look no further than the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing PHA Facial Exfoliator. Your skin will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare insights. Until next time, stay glowing.